In this module, we're going to cover the next stage in Tesla's journey, where we'll see the company go public. As part of this step, we'll see which banking divisions got involved to make it happen, which institutional investors purchase a stake in the company, and how each of these roles and areas helps get the job done. In our scenario, Tesla Motors has successfully launched its first production electric vehicle and has ambitious plans to grow and produce other vehicles. This once unknown car manufacturer is starting to turn heads and drive interest in the EV market.
A bank, in general terms, can provide all sorts of financial products, including deposit accounts, loans, advisory, and access to capital markets. Some banks do all of these things, and they'll often be referred to as universal banks. Others focus on deposits and basic lending services. But investment banks in particular, like Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley, focus on M&A advisory and access to capital markets. So these are often referred to as sell-side banks. When we look at the career map, we're talking about these two areas. This can be confusing, so I just want to spend a short moment on it. An investment bank has both an investment banking division, or IBD, and a capital markets division. But both can be thought of as part of investment banking, hence the IB notation. The IBD provides M&A advisory and capital raising services through IPOs, equity financing and debt financing, whilst the capital markets division provides sales, trading and research services to institutional investors. Let's continue with the story to find out how they fit in.
In this stage of Tesla's journey, we've seen the company go from a privately owned, VC-funded startup through to a publicly traded company. Tesla used the services of an investment bank to do this, specifically with the advice on how to IPO via the origination equity capital markets team. Once Tesla's stock was publicly traded, we saw how the investment bank's capital markets team worked together to research, sell, and execute equity investments on behalf of their institutional investor clients. Finally, we saw how the bank's market risk team helped keep a watchful eye over these transactions and operations to ensure that the bank was staying within specified risk tolerances.